Hi friends, today's opposite words are give and take. You hear them at home, in school, and when you play. Let's learn how to spell them, what they mean, and why kindness matters, whether you're giving or taking. Let's spell give together. G I V E spells give. To give means you share something with someone. Like this, she gave her toy to her friend so they could both play. Giving feels great because it helps others feel happy too. Now let's spell take together. T A K A spells take. To take means you receive something or pick it up. Like this, he took a cookie from the plate. Taking is okay, especially when you ask kindly and say thank you. Here's something really important. Giving is kind. Taking is okay when you're polite. We give to show love. We take with grateful hearts. Every time you share something, you help someone smile. So whether you give or take, do it with kindness, always. Let's say the words together one more time. Say it with me. G I V E spells give. Say T A K A spells take. And when you give with kindness or take with care, everybody glows from inside. Like this video if you enjoyed learning with me. Share it with someone who loves to learn. And subscribe to @Vocabloom Hub for more glow-ups from our Opposite Words for Kids ESL and Early Learning playlist.